The debate that has divided football fans for over a decade: who's truly the greatest of all time? Today, we're diving deep into every major trophy and award won by Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, from the World Cup to the Ballon d'Or, and everything in between. This is the ultimate comparison. Stick around, the numbers might just shock you. FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup Golden Ball. Copa America. Finalissima. European Championship. UEFA Nations League. UEFA Champions League. UEFA Super Cup. La Liga. FIFA Club World Cup. Copa del Rey. Premier League. FA Cup. EFL Cup. League Cup. FA Community Shield. Serie A. Coppa Italia. Coppa Italia. Trophée des Champions. Ballon d'Or. FIFA World Player of the Year. European Golden Shoe. UEFA Men's Player of the Year. There you have it, Messi, with 8 Ballon d'Ors and a World Cup. Ronaldo with more Champions League wins and club titles in multiple leagues. But who's your GOAT? Comment below and let the world know where you stand. Team Messi or Team Ronaldo? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic football showdowns.